can style the layout of your categories in a way that suits your unique needs and makes your pages really attractive and inviting for customers. This is the third video of our 4-part series on categories, and ahead of this video you should have a website containing several item groups and categories and feel confident about creating and editing categories on your website. You can enter the category layout section by looking in Basket and selecting the Layout option, and then selecting Categories. There are 3 different layouts available for you to choose from. Style 1 shows a representative grid of group images that link to each group page. Style 2 shows each group's items in a slider format. And Style 3 shows all groups and their items in a list or grid format. When it comes to Style 1, you can make a number of particular changes to the way thumbnails are presented, such as the particular image shape, and whether you need a darker or lighter palette to suit the broader colour scheme of your website, as well as the width of the text box that you include. Style 1 would be useful if your categories only contain a couple of groups but have many items inside, given that this option allows you to show large, high-quality thumbnails that entice users to click through to your items and view the items that sit inside each group. You would use the slider format in Style 2 when you want to show a lot of groups in a category and want to show what's inside each group without taking up a lot of vertical space. Items can scroll along a single line like so, rather than in a grid list format. So it's a question of design and how much space you want to take up on the page with your items and their groups. Style 3, the grid format, would be very useful when you have many groups with only a few items inside each one. And having this style allows you to clearly present every item that sits inside every group, enabling users to scroll through a high number of items very quickly. You can apply different layouts to different categories at the same time to suit their differing characteristics. So for example, this category here may benefit more from being in the Style 1 thumbnail format because there are minimal groups in this category with a high number of items. And to do this, you just need to go on to edit this category and look for this drop down here and change the category layout style to the group menu style and hit save and view. And you will see that the Style 1 settings have been adopted for this category. And this format really tempts users to click through to one of these thumbnails and look at the items that sit inside this group. And with that, you now know the different category layouts that are available for you when you are managing the categories in your online shop. Be sure to check out our next video in this category series, which runs through creating category collections. I hope this video was helpful for you. Thank you very much for watching, and I look forward to speaking with you again soon.